Laser tattoo removal is a popular and effective method for getting rid of unwanted tattoos. With advancements in laser technology, Pico laser tattoo removal shatters the tattoo ink into microparticles, which are then effectively absorbed and eliminated by the body. This advanced technology ensures safe, faster, more efficient tattoo removal with minimal discomfort and downtime. The number of sessions required for Pico laser tattoo removal depends on various factors, such as the size, color, and age of the tattoo, as well as your skin type and the ink's depth. Each session is typically spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart to allow for proper healing and ink absorption by the body. Kung maaring paki-follow, mag-subscribe, at ipamahagi ang video na ito sa iyong pamilya at mga kaibigan na sa tingin mo ay makakatulong din sa kanila. Salamat sa iyo kaibigan, at follow ka na din para updated ka sa mga bagong videos.